Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech 360. In this video, we will be guiding you how to register for QCI exam for the post of Examiner of Patterns and Designs. Due to time constraints, we are uploading as two videos. This video is only for the online registration process and next video would be for the application process. So watch the video till end. Without any further delay, let's get started. For online registration, first of all, log on to QCI official website www.qcin.org. Then click on Recruitment Notification 2023 for the post of Examiner of Patterns and Designs. Then click on Portal link for registration. Here you can see the important details like examination fee and important dates. Last date for the online application is on 4th of August 2023. Since we have enough time for the registration and application, don't rush for the application process and make some mistakes in it. So here you can see login option for application process. You have to register first before proceeding to the application. For online registration, click on register. Then a window will open like this. For the registration, you have to enter all your personal details as shown here. You should note that these details cannot be changed after the form submission. So fill the details very carefully. First enter your full name, then enter your father or mother or spouse full name, then enter your valid mail ID and click on send OTP. Then an OTP will be sent to your given mail ID. Enter that OTP and verify mail. Similarly, enter your mobile number, verify as before. Then enter your gender, marital status, select the category that you belong to, then select your discipline, for example biotech or biochemistry or food tech, like that. Then select your nationality, then your date of birth as per Aadhaar card or any proof that you are going to submit as identity. Then enter your Aadhaar or voter ID or passport number. You should note that the name and details that you have submitted should be same as that in any of these ID numbers that you submitted. Then enter the security code shown here. Before clicking on register now, kindly verify all the entered details at least 2 or 3 times whether you have entered all the details without any errors. If you all seems perfect, then click register now. So your registration process has been completed and you can see an interface like this. Meanwhile, you will receive a registration confirmation mail from QCI like this, where the registration number has been given. Take a screenshot and keep it with you or note the registration number somewhere. If you want, you can click on continue to proceed with the application process, or else you can do it later. First, you should log into your account by entering the registered mail ID, date of birth and security code as shown here. In next video, we will explain the step-by-step process for the application. So first complete your online registration process and wait for our video. As per all your requests, Tech 360 has launched an online test series course for QCI preliminary examination for the post of Examiner of Patterns and Designs. In this course, you will get test series from all the units mentioned in the preliminary exam syllabus, which includes General English, Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning, Quantitative Aptitude, General Knowledge and Current Affairs, General Science, IPA Legislation in India, WIPO and related treaties. So you will get a clear picture about how the questions will be asked for the exam from these units. You can attend these tests unlimited times from your phone or desktop or laptop. This online test series course is available only in Tech 360 Android app, so download the app from the Google Play Store or through the download link given in the description. If you are an iPhone or iOS user, then kindly follow the instructions given in the description to access the app. Since the preliminary examination syllabus is common for all, the aspirants from all the domain as per the eligibility criteria can enroll to this course. So kickstart your preparation now by enrolling to this course. Direct link to the course as given in the description. We are providing this course at 50% discount for first 100 candidates enrolled to this course. So grab your seats now before the offer ends. For further queries and guidance, kindly contact us on WhatsApp or app chat section. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech 360. Thank you.